In this video, we will explore our most critical section, that is, drug repository. This is your one-stop platform where you can find information of about 15,000 drugs and their regulatory status in India. On clicking Drug Repository, you will see an endless list of drugs where you can search for any drug using the search bar. Let us search for itraconazole capsule. The search result will display all the drugs that include itraconazole in their names. You can also filter and sort drugs based on different conditions and rules. Once you open the filter section, you will get options to sort the database in alphabetical order, by approval year in ascending order, or by approval year in descending order. You can also filter the drug's database according to a particular year. Additionally, you can filter the drug's database by their approval status, such as approved, which are drugs approved by CDSCO. Unapproved, which are drugs not approved by CDSCO. Banned, which are drugs notified as banned by the Government of India, and approved conditionally, which are drugs approved by CDSCO, but subject to various conditions. Moving ahead, for drugs with status approved, you can further narrow down the search by selecting the drug category. The old drug does not fall under the definition of new drug, as per New Drug and Clinical Trial Rule 2019. New drug is defined as per New Drug and Clinical Trial Rules 2019. Lifetime drugs are defined as lifetime new drugs as per New Drug and Clinical Trial Rules 2019. Similarly, for drugs with the status approved conditionally, you can select categories such as C-rational, for which you can apply directly to the state licensing authority for a license subject to submission of requisite documents and government fee. DGCI NOC is required, for which DGCI NOC is mandatory prior to the license from the state licensing authority. Once you find the desired drug, you can open the drug information page to view details, such as its approved status, status date, the date when the drug was approved or updated, its drug category, and its strength and composition. For users who need deeper regulatory insights, Pharminho offers an exclusive Pro Member section. This section provides more detailed and actionable information about every drug, including detailed medical indications, official approval references from CDSCO, approval pathways for manufacturers and importers, and a comprehensive checklist of required licenses and approvals. On clicking the indication section, you can find the officially approved indication for the subject drug as approved by CDSCO. Official Approval Reference section provides direct access to the official CDSCO approval reference document for the selected drug. By clicking the PDF link, you can open and review the original approval references for deeper verification and understanding. The Approval Pathway section simplifies the regulatory approval journey for both manufacturers and importers. For manufacturers, clicking the PDF link opens a detailed flowchart explaining the complete step-by-step approval and licensing process, starting from form registration on the CDSCO portal all the way to the final grant of approval. Similarly, for importers, the PDF opens a dedicated flowchart covering the complete import approval and regulatory process, including the grant of Form 10 import licenses. Pro members also get access to detailed checklist of license approvals and documentation requirement for both manufacturers and importers. For manufacturers, the checklist PDF contains all the mandatory approvals and documentation required during the manufacturing approval process. Similarly, for importers, the checklist provides a complete overview of import-related licenses, approvals, and regulatory requirements, helping users better prepare for compliance and submission. For personalized regulatory assessment, Pro members can explore our service catalog to access customized approval pathways, regulatory checklist, and filing strategies.